I take you now to my favorite döner place here in kebab place in Medjugorje. I can't wait to have a nice kebab joint. This is Sunday morning. The mass is going on right now. And I may go to the English mass at 12. But first, have a nice döner. Join the party. So you see action here, people are in Medjugorje, life is going on. How to say, tourists are coming back all over the place. And yeah, let's go together to the döner. It's my favorite döner place. Good prices. You have €2 and you have a nice döner. Like kebab, you say in English, I think kebab. Kebab. And let's go there and have the döner. Kebab. See, life is going on. It's good. Joyful. And over there on this side you have very good ice cream at Café Krempi. But let's see if I can have already a döner now. I'd love to have one here. Oh yes, look at that. Can you make me a kebab? Nice to see you. This is for my YouTube channel, you know. You make me a chicken kebab? Or it's still not ready? Or? Wow, cool. I take one. This looks very nice. And I'm waiting for the kebab. Sorry, I have to go. I will have the kebab now. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with other people, that they also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. I leave you with this view on the streets. And they are preparing the bread now. We'll see. Oh, he's preparing the meat. Look at that.
Do you want big or small?
Small kebab is good. There he goes. There's the bread. Oh, that's very good. Look how they do with a lot of love. There's the kebab. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. This looks good. Look. Oh, you do the bread your own? Self-made bread?
Yes.
Wow, it's self-made bread, you see? And look, the meat, isn't that crispy and nice? There it comes. There comes the meat. This is a nice, look at that, doesn't that look good? Very, very, very good. There we go. She's preparing the bread over there. It's going to be heated up. Now it's going to be put in there. Look here. Going to be heated up. It's very, very good. Can you show this? Like what you have here? Oh, look at this meat. Oh, that looks good. And afterwards you can see all this. I can choose from all this stuff, but I'm going to put it on the döner, on the kebab. Look at that. Isn't that nice? There you go. Very nice. And here as well. Oh, that looks very good. We are going to choose the döner, what we put on the kebab together. The bread is heated up. There we go. I normally go for the spicy sauce. That's very good. Let's see. You said bread is homemade, no? You make the bread. Wow, look at that. That's why it's so tasty. Look, here we go. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? There we go. And now we go for the sauces. I want the spicy one. Spicy one, the spicy sauce, very good. Look at this, spicy sauce is coming. Oh, my dear, that looks good. So I take some salad. Oh yes, that looks very, very good. I take some tomatoes. Yeah, oh, I love tomato. You can put a lot of tomato. Yes. This looks good. And one more nice. Yes, yes. 2 tomato. That's good. Yes. Oh, that's good. And then some of the this one. Yeah. A little of this. Then I go for this.
This one.
Yeah. You have onions as well today, or not yet ready? This one. Look, it looks good, doesn't it? And we go. Oh yes, this one's exactly this one's, I think. Onions. And what do we have in this one? The last one. Cheese. I take some cheese. No cheese. Don't we take the cheese today? And the spicy sauce again. And I eat it here. I put it for here. Wow, you are super. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Is tasty. Sorry, I have to go now. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and come here and eat the tasty doner kebab. Okay? Bye bye for now.